Today's our family day. We managed to fit.
We're cutting up.
Very comfortable. I could actually sleep.
I actually could.
Sis, come here. There's another.
No, we're fine.
You're the best uncle. It's fun, guys. No, let's get back there. Let's go. No, Tomasina's back there. There's this snorkeling place right here. Faleula Deep. Have you been there? How come we never rode in the bag? We never had it in the car. Yeah. Looks like some permanent spot. There's no one on outside. Welcome to my Samoan fridge. Yep, the Japanese fridge. You don't think so? Like ramen, yeah. No, he said just wait there, dude. Right.
So just call me whenever you're lonely. I'll be a friend that could be your homie. Don't be your girl.
So this is the Methodist. It's kind of like a Besinga for us, but Methodist campus. Oh, you go down here, guys. Wow. I think. Hi guys! Hi everyone! We made it through the trek. Yay! Sorry. The beautiful scenery of Samoa. And we're currently here at Piula Caves as a family fun day today. Thanks to Miss Judy. Judy was the one that sparked the idea for Piula today. Oh, kasikumu. No, that's not. Oh, yeah, that's so cute. This is like we can't be excited for that. No, it's the caves. It's up there. You did not? Have you not been here? No, I've never been here. Weird. I thought we always come here. Like that's our first. Like this is one of the spots we always come here as a family. Not me. I've never been here. It's packed because it's good weather. Wait, we've had good weather this whole time. There's Uncle Sam over there. And his passengers. So yeah.
I thought it was
You said it was short.
No.
You did not hear us.
Huh?
How do I sleep with your
Looks like it's
It was a good drive, but how do we sleep in that?
With the driver.
Bro, there's so much traffic. Everyone's that, like, there's that one car that's just driving so slow.
Say hi. Danton, are you okay?
Oh, I'm burning.
The Aussie boys are now looking like Samoan boys.
Charity, 1, 2, 3.
Oh, Tony!
Where are we now?
Hi. We are now here somewhere. Piula. Yeah, Riverside, Piula.
Hi! Hi, Chris! Go hi! Not yet, wait until say Ekalesia may These are the Piula cave pools.
It's so packed.
So packed on a sunny day.
As you can see, because
Wait, let me take a video.
and Auntie said Susoho.
And we what?
Susoho.
Is that what she said?
That's what she said. So now we're gonna go to a waterfall
Okay.
instead. As a whole family, so come along. Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go. So update.
Give the update.
Who set this place?
Who made our whole family trek
Who made them come out the car, take out all the stuff, to load it back inside, to get back in the car, to go?
Yeah,
To spend 1 minute there is crazy.
I wonder who.
Well,
I just wonder who it was.
She must be pretty.
she must be American.
Don't go. Trying to save you.
Don't go.
So we're trying to get our money back.
Here to learn your photos.
Look.
We used to live just there.
I remember coming to that's the McKay Fale.
I swear we do.
This is Sauniatu Falls with the fams. This was our plan B because Piula was packed.
Everything.
Hi, everything.
Hello.
Look how beautiful the te-wheelers are. They're fine. Haven't been here in so long. Wow, look at the waterfalls. Look how the waterfalls. That's so pretty. Hi everyone, look, we're here in Samoa. Bye bye. Wow, mak, lima hi Rina. Hi Trina. Hi. Family say hi. Hi. Then, kiki naman. Hi. family's crazy. Whose Tuamua is that? Whose Tuamua is that? We are. Hey. Vai para o sol. Okay guys, Samoan kids are different. We are. Oh my god! It's the foul spot for me. É só lá. So here in Sauniatu we just found out that you could get ula, like prawns. Prawns are like swimming along the bank. And then we just thought to come to the other side of the waterfall. So the waterfall's just there, but we decided to come here to the quiet spot of Sauniatu Falls. There. How pretty, guys! Oh my gosh! In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. Nasha!
Thank you,
I'm gonna get washed down there.
How did you guys get here?
This way? Is it going that way? Is it your way? I'm not going that way. You should go back first or feet first. Just your feet. Just go your feet.
This is after. Hi, Uncle. Vai muito, Pepe.
Mamãe, vai.
Vai, minha. Taxi. Não, minha.
Puerta, acta. Acta, puerta.
Tina. Hi, Tina. Guys. German bun. So good.
No, watch this, Uncle. Watch this.
Eating at a DMC.
Or a dog or a mouse.
Malika.
Dog, mouse, and cat. We're eating that tonight.
Because only people from Tuamua eat that.
I'm from Got done swimming.
Oh, this is nice.
Yeah, that's what I said. That's
From where? Sula.
Oh, my dad's dancing. Go, Dad. Go, Dad.
Guys, taxi. Cheers, everyone. Cheers for taxi. My little bye. Cheers. the morning.
I don't want that. Oh, I like them. I'll have one. Thank you. Sis, Charlie, do you want more? Watch out. Yeah. What can I say to make you? Oh, I bet they're playing.
I'll give it all to you, babe. Tony.
Oh, where did they get chicken? Oh, wow.
How is it from Sula? What did I say to make your after my wedding? We all went flying on that one.
Look at me.
Alright, look up.
You see in the top here? Oh, I think she fell out.
Look, what you have? Leo.
Wait, what about you guys?
What about you?
No, I was thinking to. Oh, that's your.
Oh, wow.
Someone.
Amen.
Bro, they didn't even drive past us. I want them to get cool the ride.
It's our bottle openers.
There's some gifts from Tita and you still want it? Is that nice? What part is that?
Guys, it's raining. It's raining.
I'm so glad this is shelter. Wait, can I play music now?
Yeah.
I'm waiting.
Oh, it's a gold. It's a church. Wait.
These two are naughty. The naughtiest of us.
Ja, det vandet på er vi feil. Er vi feil?
Ja?
Feil frem. Feil fra det fus, ja.
Kan I kigge der? Fej.
Saulan.
Så kan
Oi, oi, der er
Mama
saulan.
på aka
I've never done it before.
Just try. Is that all?
Oi, jeg på.
Tango Samoa.
På fuld vand eller jeg.
Tango Samoa, hello man. Hello.
Oh.
Vale um pouco, mas valeu.
Ahora que lo van a ver.
Ja, Tina, dat is wel fica. Ele vale um pouco a na chapéu. Awa.
Dari mamalo popo.
Kau ngai fa uma.
Come to this one. Hurry up. Hello.
Oi yo.
Ele mai wa manko. Lea, buy your new one. Shh. Like lighten. What is this? What is I thought I was bad. This is terrible. That's worse than me. There's nothing. Let me. I think our saka will be ready on Sunday. Oh.
So you had to press the brake?
Oh. Wow.
Nothing comes still.
Yes, auntie. Getting a matsu. And I'll show Charity how it's done.
She said brake, accelerator.
Wow. Oh. Which lao? Which lao, auntie? Oh, really?
Yes, that's why it's called the Paia.
Oh, why did I think it was the coconut? No. So what are we doing now?
Now we're gonna squeeze it so
Oh.
that we can get the coconut cream. Paia.
Ele maia ena. Pak umak keluar aku.
Fresh coconut cream.
She's a real island girl. Hi family. Dinner time. We have DMC chicken. And some barbecue. Family house. Filet, and that's the house we're staying in. And this is the galo. Why does it look like this is the Fali food that she did.
We did with Uncle.
Hello review.
Nice, Mom. Thank you, Mom. Hello. No,
Hey. Yeah. Be honest. Be honest.
Oh,
My bride.
Some snacks. It's called momongi. Momongi. Okay, let's try it. This is what it looks like.
Where is these ants coming from? These ants.
You like these? Like you really like these? Out of 10, what do you rate it?
10 out of 10.
Really?
Yeah. What about you? 9 out of 10?
2.
2 out of 10.
Guys, we are finished. We're just here chilling.
What's the time now?
I don't know,
It's 10 o'clock.
but it's time to go moe because tomorrow we are start. Good morning, Faafetai.
Going to church.
Going to church.
Going to Assembly of God Church.
Going to look paki. Just kidding. Ah, Sal. Hi, Sal. We're going to church in Faleula. That starts at 10 a.m.
Oh, is that the one that the chapel that we were at?
Yeah. But look at us. Look at my pretty auntie with her pretty dress. Hello. And then Anna with her dress. Hello. Samanaya. And then Sal, the princess. But yeah, stay tuned with us. Today is Sunday, the Sunday before Christmas, where we will only have 1 hour of church. It's what?
It's not Christmas.
No, is it 1 hour church?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's because of Christmas this week. Okay. Finish?
Yes.
Sorry. Hi, Upton.
We did finish the church.
Yes.
Today, the service.
We did.
Only one service today.
Yeah.
It's a equipment meeting. And now we are going home for the Tuamua.
Yes. The yummy Toonai. Look, so many of them. I think it's combined. That's the chapel. Okay. Oh, look at my beautiful aunties. Wow. Let's go. Yeah, we're taking pictures. Wow.
She didn't get the memo. She didn't get the memo.
I didn't get the memo either. Since when? Oh, flowers. Yeah. Yeah. We got the pink. Hey, you just. Why did you put your shirt on?
She's like trying to match.
I was trying to match Charlie's flowers. Sorry. Who is she? Oh, my sister. It's a video. Where are you guys from? Oh, Tonga. Malolele. Where are you from?
Utah.
These guys, do you know her? Our Utah girl cousin. She's from Utah. They're from Utah.
Mom, Mom, they're waiting for you.
Make them.
1, 2, 3.
It's always that one. It's always one. Always one person. Not you. Not you, Nasha. Hey, hi family.
Hello.
Hi. Hi family. It was 1 hour done, eh, Baba? Oh, let's take a picture.
She was laughing at you.
Anna, what happened?
Karma happened.
Her knee is bleeding.
She was laughing at my leg.
That's what happened. Did she want to laugh at Longy last night? She fell.
The Lord saw.
Oh,
She
Anna.
was not listening at all.
Let's go Toonai. Okay, see you later. Come, Baba, let's go.
Because I was still sitting too much.
So umaya de mia. So umaya de mia ke mia. Ai. Ya va ya la galele. Galele. La anu solo. La ko pa ke lo nga. Ya, apa usije. Kaya telo ele yo. Umay we have a lot of young adults here.
Oh, okay. Okay, we're gonna do a luitao
What's that?
challenge. So that's challenging
Longy,
someone.
come. All of us. It'll be
Oh,
all of us.
Longy is so good already.
Be in it.
Anna can't because
She wasn't listening.
She's a native. So our luitao for today, Lene Yaso, it's tauna tato e fa matala or tautale e fa Samoa asuatua. For
Luafa hours.
luafa hours.
We're off to a great start. She's improving. Today. Amakange. Amakange go tonight.
Okay.
Oh yes. No. A dollar.
Cascala.
A dollar.
Push
You might as well be out.
I'm gonna be rich.
And show your knees. Show your knees. She fell. Show your knees.
Oh, this is my
Come fake it.
Oh, kakao.
She's off to a great start. Great start. Maka Ole ka unga le push up sa anti. Ole ka unga. Can I go for a ride? Ole me kupu as. Ana siya.
Ole.
Yeah.
Ole makala lang sa pala.
Papa.
Yeah.
Apa yun?
Abi. Ano abi? Yeah. Papa Samoan plates.
Antes me makainga din.
Ole mera ke mga uya. Ole mera ke mga uya. Ole ipo na plates na spoon.
Men ole ipo le plates mas.
Ole ipo ma fola.
Ipo ma fola.
Você que cavou?
Yuri sabi?
Vai ah? Me falta. Wala ele faz a masking.
Ole kasama. Mo ready ko.
Am I ready? Muka ready.
Kala.
Yeah.
Ay kala.
I'm ready.
Kala be charity. Right, we charity.
Asa.
I know. Huh?
Yeah.
Charity ole alo Tuamua.
Tyler.
Pasamos mau charity. Yeah.
Alofa mama. Alofa mama. Olha, ele faz Samoan. Ula lapo. Ula sami. Iya. Supakala. Saule tem fai poipo.
Se for kala.
Ele hilou que ele.
Kala tite. Na luz for kala tite.
Ele hilou ele é bela.
Ikusa. Bye.
Fangusea.
Cậu lên mua mẹ ai? Đây nó lên mua mẹ ai?
I don't know.
Oleh Uka.
Oka.
Oleh Supo. Kalukau. Oleh Ula Sami. Ula Sami. Ya. Sama pamakala le mẹ ai? Por ale ngồi mẹ ai?
Pamakala me ai.
Sao? Oleh uso kalu. Oleh uso
Bani fukamu.
Fai ai kamu. Sumaya tsai. Sana maya a. Musipi. Muffy, what are you eating?
Lobster.
Tail. We're getting shy. We're getting shy. Look at the lobster. Wow, that's a huge one. you dip it in the okra.
You
Grab the lemon. That's not even lemon, that's sweet. That's okra. It's all the okra sauce. Squeeze. It's a yum.
Oh, that's yum.
I have to talk in a Chinese, you know. We have to start with Haven.
It's okay. Oh yeah, Judy can have one half and then that. Okay, we got some lobster. Sula and this is turkey tail luau.
I love
I'm so happy.
I think it needs more quicker.
Okay. Tell us what's this, guys?
Oh.
Who didn't do it properly?
Oh, Nasha. Oh, Nasha.
Olha, ele me alheia.
By pineapple.
Vai fala.
Fala, vai. Morrer tá o
Ai. A Faafetai acabou. O ai nga Faia.
Oh, and
Ngao e nga. Oh.
what if it's no good? It's sleeping.
Where ya?
Oh, what is that? She's sleeping. From the go on. The one they used to squeeze the again. Yeah, taste test. Yeah.
She's gonna get a whole big. Yes, okay. Kay may America. But again, remember, she's American. They're used to high sugar. They're used to high cholesterol sugar.
I'm telling my mom. My mom has both of those. I'm telling on YouTube. Mom. Mom. She'll beat y'all up. Beat him up.
Dita, please take care of your sister.